A street beggar paragraph. Paragraph. A street beggar, often found on city corners and bustling streets, is an individual facing a difficult and challenging life. Clad in tattered clothes and carrying a weathered expression, a street beggar's presence highlights the harsh realities that some members of society endure. Their circumstances vary, from economic hardships to physical disabilities, mental health issues, or lack of support networks. Beggars seek alms from passers-by, holding out their hands or using cups to collect spare change. They are a visible reminder of the social inequalities and struggles that exist in urban environments. Their stories, often untold, are marked by adversity and survival in the face of unfavorable circumstances. While some street beggars resort to begging out of necessity, it's important to recognize that many desire opportunities for dignified employment and a chance to improve their lives. Factors such as unemployment, lack of education, or social exclusion can contribute to their predicament. Efforts to address the challenges faced by street beggars involve a multifaceted approach. Providing access to education, vocational training, and social services can empower them to transition from begging to sustainable livelihoods. Rehabilitation programs that focus on mental health support, addiction treatment, and integration into society also play a vital role. Compassion and empathy are crucial when interacting with street beggars. Instead of merely giving money, offering food, water, or connecting them with local support organizations can make a positive impact. Beyond immediate assistance, advocating for policies that address the root causes of homelessness and poverty is essential for creating a more equitable society. In essence, a street beggar's presence serves as a stark reminder of the disparities that persist in our world. Responding with kindness, understanding, and efforts to address systemic issues can contribute to a society where everyone has the opportunity to live a life of dignity and purpose.